Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Microsoft Rewards points 2025. So as you can see, I have over 67,000 points. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to do it. So all you have to do is go ahead and go to this website. It's called Zoomods. So let me just type it in right here. It's a pretty sick site. So once you're on this site, guys, you're going to see a ton of apps. So I just want you guys to type in Micro, and there it is. So it's the Microsoft Rewards mod. So before it downloads, there will be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're also from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and finish. All right, so once it loads up, we're just going to see this missing files page, and what you have to do is download some apps. So as you can see, we have a ton of apps here, so you just pick 2 of them. There is a video to watch if you don't know what you're doing, but just press on the app and it'll bring you to the App Store. Now bear in mind, some of them are going to say like reach level 10, but then some of them are just down and run for 30 seconds. So just do whatever you can do, guys. It doesn't really matter, but just make sure you're doing 2 of them. And I heard that if you're in another country, they may be different. So these are just the ones that show up for me. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get free Microsoft Rewards points in 2025. It's super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super insane. So yeah, look at that, guys. Free points. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it's totally working. So yeah, try it out for yourself. This is updated and it's working.